Hello and welcome to In Simple Terms with Satish. Today we are talking about vibe coding, the idea that you can build software by talking to an AI coding tool instead of typing every line yourself. Let us start with the technology first. Vibe coding is a new developer loop. You describe what you want in normal language, the coding assistant reads some project context, it suggests or edits code, it may run tests or commands, then you inspect the result and ask for changes. So the code editor starts feeling less like a blank page and more like a conversation. Let us understand this with a simple everyday example. Imagine you're setting up a room for studying. In the old way, you move every chair, plug in every cable, choose every lamp, and organize every book yourself. Now imagine you have a very fast assistant. You say, "Make this room better for studying." The assistant moves the desk, adds a lamp, clears the table, and organizes the books. That sounds powerful, but you still have to check the result. Maybe the assistant blocked the power outlet. Maybe the lamp creates glare. Maybe an important notebook was thrown into the wrong shelf. The assistant saved effort, but you still own the judgment. Vibe coding works the same way. The AI can create the first draft of code quickly, but the engineer still has to check whether the code is correct, secure, understandable, and maintainable. Now return to the actual technical concept. Modern AI coding tools are moving beyond autocomplete. They can read files, understand error logs, edit multiple parts of a project, run tests, and return a diff for review. Some tools can even work in the background on a branch or in a sandbox while the developer reviews the result later. Under the hood, the loop has several layers. First, intent. The human explains the goal. Second, context. The tool needs relevant files, tests, framework rules, logs, and constraints. Third, generation. The model predicts a possible code change. Fourth, execution. The tool may run tests, type checks, or build commands. Fifth, review. The human reads the diff and decides what survives. That last step is the catch. Code generation is becoming cheaper, but verification is not free. AI-generated code can look confident and still call the wrong function, miss an edge case, weaken security, or make the system harder to maintain. This is why vibe coding does not mean engineers disappear. It means the engineer's job moves up a level. Instead of only asking, "Can I write this function?" the better questions are, did the tool understand the requirement? Did it touch the right files? Did the tests prove the behavior? Can another developer maintain this later? For students, this is important. AI can help you build faster, but do not skip the basics. Learn how the code works. Read the error messages. Understand the data flow. Write small tests. Review the diff. For professional engineers, the lesson is even sharper. Treat AI output like a very fast junior developer's pull request. Useful, sometimes impressive, but still needing review. The real skill is not just prompting. It is giving clear constraints, supplying the right context, checking the result, and knowing when to stop asking the AI and read the code yourself. That is why the best prompts are not only creative, they are specific. They say what should change, what should not change, and how the result will be checked. The clear takeaway is this: vibe coding makes programming feel more conversational, but software still has to survive reality. It must run, pass tests, handle edge cases, protect users, and make sense to the next person who reads it. In simple terms, AI can help write the first draft of code. Engineering is what proves the draft deserves to live in the code base. If this helped you understand the topic in simple terms, follow or subscribe to In Simple Terms with Satish. I will see you in the next episode.